Yeah, I'm chilling, baby. On the street. Yeah. In the supermarket. Yeah. Cuando tú visitas República Dominicana en tu carro problema, y llama él and llama hija. Yeah, see, hey, they going in here doing some miracles, man. Hey, I done lost the key. They done created a whole new key, the locks and everything for less than $100, man. This is crazy. So we in San Pedro de mocoris. See? This is so amazing. For less than $100, they going in here changing things. That's good. Right now, man, we in the shop. This is where I had to come to, man, to get my key. I locked out, so this is the whole place. One of the chicos, niños, and we here. Your outside name. There we go. So y'all here in San Pedro de mocoris. Yeah, make sure y'all stop by the lock place, man. The lock man, he holds it down. Got me out of a big mess real fast. All right. Yes.